Happy birthday, ma.
Teka muna, dance mo. Okay?
Hawa ka mo lang. Happy birthday, ma.
Thank you. Ano ba yan? Dami-dami.
Happy birthday.
Meron. Mars, la lola ni Vince, yung mga meron pa yun. Enjoy your day. We love you, Bobby.
Ano na ito ni mama na eh. Kasagay sa kwarto eh.
Hindi.
You're the real thing.
Okay ba, ma?
Thank you. Puro mga sample to eh. Oh, iba pa. Diyos ko. Binilan mo pa ako nito.
Si Papa maidiin.
Oh my God.
Bumili ka kasi.
Eh, may binili na ako.
Hindi ka naman namin mapapigil dahil nabili na namin yan.
Ano ba yan?
Bakit?
You have to use it every day. This one,
Ayusin mo hawak, baka
this
bumagsak.
one is the perfume dispenser. You could use it every day. I-refill mo lang siya rito. Yung sa'yo, di ba, pinapain? Then spray. Okay?
Thank you.
Ah, ito pa.
Ano ba yan? Meron pa rin. Ano ba yan? Skechers. Bibili talaga ako ng Skechers. Thank you. Grabe naman.
Parang kapag-English
Ay.
na gusto niya.
Just you.
Okay. I hope you're happy.
I'm
Happy
happy.
60.
Pero papakainin mo kami.
Ano naman? Thank you, thank you.
Okay, very good.
Thank you so much.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Mine is cool.
Awesome. Thank you so much. All right. Are you celebrating Marsha birthday? Okay, ma.
What is the salt caramel?
Oh, definitely.
Salsa caramel ice cream. Chocolate caramel.
Can we do a mix? Okay, good. Can I get a salty caramel and eggnog, please?
Ikaw.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Baka malamang pa.
Tulungan mo ako pa.
Gusto mo?